Hello everyone, this is Adam Abel with McFarland Chevrolet, and today I'm going to show you how to use the universal remote feature in a brand new 2025 Chevy Tahoe. So, first thing you need is your garage door transmitter, and then we are going to go to controls. You can either get to controls by hitting this icon up here, or if that isn't there and you know that your vehicle is equipped with the universal remote feature, you just scroll on over to the second page, find controls, hit see more controls, universal remotes, add remote. We have hand trail transmitter, we just hit yes. Searching for signal, I'm going to press and hold my transmitter button. It should find the signal. There we go, it's found it. We are going to hit test. Now I don't have a garage door to show you all if it's going up and down, but just showing you the procedures. So once it's found the signal, we can hit test again. Or if it's already working, we just hit it worked. But if it doesn't work, we hit it didn't work. It's going to provide us instructions on how to get it to work. Your receiver inside of your garage may have a learn or smart button. You will need to go press that and then come back to the car within 30 seconds and then hit test again. And then that should pair it up. It's going to hit test here. And then once we know that it's worked, we will hit it worked. And we can change the name of the remote to, let's say, something like left side garage door. Hit backspace. Left side. Hit the blue check mark, and that'll update the name. And now update location is a fancy little feature here. If we hit update location, it will save the location where we created this garage door at. So when we are getting ready to pull into our driveway, you'll see this little house icon pop up over here. And then you can hit that, and it will open your garage door for you. Pretty neat. Now then, I don't want my information saved in here, so I'm just going to hit delete. Delete remote. And that's how you program your garage door into the universal remote system. Y'all have a great day.